Welcome to Sweet Life Beat Life. We hope this video helps.
You start by preparing the Mixamp and your Ps5. Plug the Mixamp into a Ps5 USB port. This carries power and chat data. Once done, route game audio. If your TV has optical out, plug that optical into the Mixamp. If not, use an HDMI audio extractor to create an optical or analog feed. Make sure volume knobs are set low while you confirm connections, because you'll raise levels after verifying audio routing and system settings. You now configure the Ps5 audio to match the Mixamp input. Open Settings, Sound, Audio Output. Choose USB headset if the Mixamp is plugged direct via USB, or select the TV/optical device if you routed audio through the TV or extractor. Once chosen, set output format to linear PCM to prevent digital pass-through issues and ensure stereo game audio. Also set chat audio to headset if you want voice to route through the Mixamp. Finish by dialing game versus voice balance on the Mixamp and adjusting headset volume until levels feel natural. You should also update firmware with Astro Command Center on a PC or Mac when available. This fixes compatibility and mic issues. If you get no game sound, make sure the optical cable or HDMI extractor is connected and that Ps5 output device matches that source. As a key troubleshooting tip, if chat works but game audio doesn't, swap output format or reselect the correct output device. That usually resolves it.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.